right, this is gonna be Wednesday, February 4th evening, charting for Thursday, February 5th. So let's get started. And then if things come up, then I'll talk about them. Other than that, it's probably pretty quiet. I'm actually gonna measure EQ of the lower wick here. Oh my goodness gracious. Rid all this stuff. Oops. And today. Sorry, I'm just seeing what Asia is doing right now on my other screen. Okay, sorry about that. Just monitoring Asia. Seeing how we open. Let's get rid of all this stuff from the monitoring YM earlier. See how price responds when we get here. See, does this have any confluence for us? kind of the same. I don't think it's worth putting that on there twice. I would be curious in EQ of this wick though. Oh shoot. What is that gonna be? Let's see. Let's see. Is that gonna be our little key level tonight for our retracement slash reversal from Asia? Okay, there we go. But you know what? I also want to monitor this. I know it's a lot of levels, but I remove them as I see them not needed. But I have been monitoring. Excuse me. I've been monitoring these levels, and it has been helping significantly. It's going to be plus DOB. And this is going to be EQ of that daily order block, which as of late, price has loved to respect. So we are going to ride with that. Okay, there we go. That satisfies me with some good levels. Because if we do open low and then run out, then we'll have LR here. This ran to EQ already, so that no need to draw that one out. So the question will become how we move through price here. I'm treating this here as an order block, rebalance, CSDOB, rebalance again. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got to finish off here on NQ. See what we got. So we got previous day EQ to start, which we opened high into to start the overnight session. Just nail it. Oh my goodness, sorry. Opened high to start the session. Now we're moving down after rebalancing. So that we got that, and then let's see, is this any more significant? I'll draw it out that way when we drop to the 4-hour. I can see if there's any key levels that line up better on one than the other. And I think that that would be a good thing. Okay, so we have all these levels drawn out. That all looks good. We can go ahead and remove this. Slide this guy over here to here. Okay, good. Okay, so this is, let's see, this is our price action on the daily. And let me see here. This would be this would be 4 daily, sorry. He's saying that low. Okay. My anticipation is we rebalance and then expand based on YM. I believe YM is a leading asset. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a screenshot of this real quick. And also, this is EQ of a weekly order block that we stopped on today, and now technically we're opening into it in the EQ of it for potential manipulation in the weekly to then expand. So that, I mean, that, see, weekly will be here. So we're in EQ of it and we're not to it yet. Boom. So like this can be good, even though, so we're going to monitor that. Let me zoom this out so that. There we go. So maybe we get manipulation. We shall see. Let's do this. Take my screenshots for the daily, and then we can drop down to the 4-hour and see if we can get any key levels that align with EQ there. First, let me go ahead and save this real quick to my journaling for tomorrow. Cool, got that. Okay. So now let's go 4-hour, see if there's anything good looking there. I'm going to focus right now on NQ and YM as leading and lagging asset, and ES will be the middle asset. So when the strength switching occurs, it's going to be between NQ and YM. So that's why I want to watch that and see what's going on. So we don't really have, let's see, zoom out here. Okay. So like currently just consolidation over here on NQ, right? That's fine. Because, right, tapping inside daily OB, right, with this OB CSD here on the 4-hour, right? So daily opened high here, yes, but daily will open low and then expand, right? So if this is the leading asset, then NQ is going to consolidate or sell down, right? Until YM finds its rebalance point of where it wants to go, right? So this is EQ of this series of down close candles, this OB, right? So this daily OB. So I want to monitor, see if anything pops up on the 15-minute time frame down here. But you can see how if overnight we sell down to EQ, that's just going to either consolidate us, right, or send us down here. And then we would look for manipulation and longs, right, in the morning, depending on how this structure pays out, right? Because if we look at the daily, right, day to day, OBCSD on the daily for higher, right? So leading asset, lagging asset, right? Like today, YM's trade looks super good. And then NQ will not look good until NQ and YM switch strengths. And then when NQ becomes the stronger asset and to catch up to YM, then NQ will produce good setups and models. So that's something I'm going to be monitoring for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and I want to watch how daily opens into this right here, which I'm going to monitor as minus OB, and I'll just say H4 EQ H4 plus OB, like that to monitor it. That looks good. And then we'll watch for consolidation here. Whoops. Watching for consolidation and then ES. Because see, the reason why it's leading is look, we have this SMT here. I mean, that's huge. That SMT is what drove this open low close up here in CSD. Wow, this looks super good. Looks really nice. So let's just pull this over. Like so. That's obviously not even. I don't know. It's hard to make them even. Okay. So anyways, we'll monitor this going into tomorrow, see what happens. Yeah, consolidation, but I'm paying attention to YM right here. YM looks really good. So that's it for tonight. And we will see what we get in the morning, and I'll talk to you guys then.